So, pretty straightforward. D dies again as per usual. Okay. The following figures demonstrate diverse ways of striking the inside, always presupposing string ring on the outside. And on that of your adversary, disengage in order to strike. So we're assuming that my adversary is disengaging to strike me. So, I start in terza, here quarta, here D, okay, and on the outside. And so, D, disengaging as above. C will strike him in quarta with a fixed foot or with an increase of pace in the throat or face. So, you're going to disengage with the intent of attacking. Wow. Should give you a nice tempo. Okay? But if D had been an intelligent person, which we know she is, when he disengaged, he would have disengaged with a beating of his enemy's sword with his edge, giving him a thrust to the face or a reverso to the arm of the figure as designated as C, withdrawing into the terza in an ordinary pace. So, her being smart, you want to disengage with the beating of the enemy's sword.
I have to look at the plate again.
What are the attacks afterwards?
Okay?
Reverso or